Hi, my name is Delin Jenny from Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. I am skilled in QA/QC, quality control and quality assurance in welding, which is essential for oil and gas industry. I am performing this video to get World Skill Counseling Certificate. Now I am performing UT. Before inspection to subject should calibrate the machine and probe. For UT inspection, I am using the normal probe. Normal probe produce longitudinal wave is for raw material. The calibration of normal probe using B1 block. It is angle probe. It's used to shear. It's produced to shear waves. This is coupler. I am going to calibration. Take coupler. See, initial echo is 0, range 100, velocity 5920. The coupler applied to the V1 block. Then take normal probe applying to the V1 block. See three types of echoes. First backwall echo, second backwall echo, third backwall echo.